The nightmare hook, the civil matter trap. Imagine this. You go on vacation for a month. You lock your front door. You leave your house empty. When you come back, your key doesn't work. The locks have been changed. Creo. You look through the window. There is a stranger sitting on your couch, watching your TV. You scream. You call the police immediately. You tell them, there is an intruder in my house. Arrest him. The police arrive. They talk to the man inside. Then, the officer walks over to you and says the most terrifying words a homeowner can hear. I'm sorry. We can't remove him. This is a civil matter. How is that possible? He broke in. He is stealing your house. But the officer gets in his car and leaves. And the stranger stays. It sounds insane. But in the United States, this is a real legal loophole. It is called adverse possession. Or as the internet calls it, squatters' rights. Today, we are finding out how a stranger can legally steal your property, without ever paying a dime. Welcome back to Legal Loophole US. I'm Mike. And today, check your locks. The history, why does this law exist? To understand this nightmare, we have to look at the law. Most people think property rights are absolute. You buy it. You own it. Forever. But the law disagrees. There is an ancient legal doctrine called adverse possession. It basically says, use it, or lose it. The law hates abandoned land. So, hundreds of years ago, they created a rule: if an owner abandons their land, and someone else moves in, takes care of it, and improves it, that new person should eventually become the owner. It was meant for farmers. But today, it is being used by con artists to hijack suburban homes. To legally steal your house, a squatter usually has to prove 4 things. Number 1. They are in actual possession. Meaning they physically live there. Number 2. It is open and notorious. Meaning they aren't hiding, they act like they own it. Number 3. It is hostile. Meaning they don't have your permission. And number 4. They have been there for a specific statutory period. In some states, that period is 20 years. But in others, it is shockingly short. The fake lease, how they trick the police. Now, you might be asking, Mike, if they break in, why isn't it just criminal trespassing? This is the viral loophole. The moment a squatter produces a piece of paper, the police hands are tied. Professional squatters know this. They will fake a lease agreement. They print a fake contract that says, I rented this house from the owner for $1,000 a month. When the police show up, the squatter shows them the fake lease. Now, the police officer is confused. He doesn't know who is lying. Is it a break-in? Or is it a landlord trying to illegally kick out a tenant? Police are not judges. They cannot decide who owns the property on the sidewalk. So, to avoid being sued for wrongful eviction, the police declare it a civil matter and leave. They tell you, go to court and evict him. And just like that, you are locked out of your own home for months, waiting for a judge. The 30-day rule, New York City. If you think that is bad, look at New York City. In NYC, there is a law that turns guests into tenants, in just 30 days. If you let a friend crash on your couch for 30 days, or if a squatter breaks in and stays hidden for 30 days, they officially have tenant rights. You cannot change the locks. You cannot turn off the electricity. You cannot throw their stuff out. If you do any of that, you can be arrested for unlawful eviction. Yes. You go to jail for locking a stranger out of your own house. It can take 2 years and $50,000 in legal fees to get them out through the court system. Meanwhile, they are destroying your walls and living rent-free. How to fight back, legal protection. So, how do you stop this from happening to you? Rule number 1, inspect your property. You cannot leave a house empty for months. If you are going on vacation, have a neighbor check the house every week. Rule number 2, call the police immediately. Time is the enemy. If you catch them on day 1, it is breaking and entering. If you catch them on day 31, it is a tenant dispute. Rule number 3, no trespassing signs. In many states, posting "no trespassing" signs or using purple paint on trees gives you stronger legal standing to remove intruders instantly. And finally, install cameras. You need proof that they broke in today, so they can't lie and say, "I've been here for months." Video evidence turns a civil matter back into a crime. Your home is your castle, but only if you defend the walls. Have you ever dealt with a squatter? Tell me your horror story in the comments. If you want to protect your rights, hit that subscribe button. I'm Mike. This is Legal Loophole US. Stay vigilant and watch your house.